Hello guys, this is a 52-inch Breeze Crosswinds ceiling fan from Lowe's. We put this up in 2011 to replace a Hampton Bay Carriage House 1 from 2001. This fan has a remote control. Now, I did make a ceiling fans in my house video a little earlier, saying that I was going to make separate videos of all the fans running, and this is the first one I'm making a video of. It's a little dirty, it does need to be cleaned, but it's very nice. You could find this at Lowe's, definitely. I don't know about the remote control model, but you could still find it. Here's the top. Here's the top of it. I don't know if there's any information up there. Most likely not, but you guys can see anything up there. Yeah, you could see some information up there. There's some stickers and whatever up there. So anyways, here's the other side of the blades. It's bleached oak. It's got the quick connect system, as you can see. And the little, there's inside the light kit. It's got 3 LEDs. There's the pull chain. The chain's not the original chain. The original one broke, so we got a new pull switch. So, 3 LEDs in there. A globe, light, chain for the light. Alright, let's demonstrate it now. Starting with the lights. I definitely don't think it's at its brightest. Here's the dimming function. Wanted to see that. Here, I'll dim it back up. There we go. That's full brightness. Turn it off. And we'll start the fan up on low. The blades are a bit out of whack, like pretty badly, but I don't know if it's because they're loose or something, but the blades are not anywhere close to being in good alignment. They're pretty out of whack, but the fan, surprisingly, the fan doesn't wobble that much. We did put a new battery in the remote because the original one was dying. So we put a new battery in the remote control, so it works a lot better now. So this is low speed. It's a nice low speed. It's pretty much what you'd expect from a modern 52-inch ceiling fan. Alright, here's medium. It should speed up a little bit. I'll show you another angle. I'll show you it at this angle here. Not a bad medium. It's pretty decent. Actually pushes some air on medium. And high. Oh, this thing is a power. This thing is actually kind of a powerhouse on high speed. If I'm being honest, it wobbles a little bit on high, but not that much. As you can see, the blades are way out of whack. Tell. Way out of whack, but great air mover. Pushes a lot of air. It's probably the fastest fan in the house. So, if you could find one of these, I definitely recommend getting one. They're sold at Lowe's, so you could probably go to Lowe's and maybe find one of these. Like I said, probably the remote control models is discontinued, but you could probably find one with just the pull chains. And they also have these in many different finishes. This is the white finish. This is the white one. They also have it in oil or bronze, brushed nickel, I believe. Yeah, but they have them in brushed nickel. I believe antique brass, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong on that, but pretty sure the three main finishes is white, oil or bronze, and brushed nickel. All right, here's it with the light. It's really nice with the light on. All right, and we'll shut down here. So there you guys go. That was my 52-inch Harbor Breeze Crosswind ceiling fan installed in my kitchen. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.